Good morning, students. Today we are starting third chapter of your Flamingo book, which title is Deep Water. This chapter is written by William Douglas, and in this chapter, the writer is describing about his own life when he was a child, what happened to him, and how did he overcome on his fear of water. Actually, by the title you are getting here, deep water, means something is related to the water. So in this story, when you will study, you will find it. Okay. Now we are coming on gist of the lesson. A desire to learn swimming since childhood. Actually, William Douglas, since his childhood, he had a deep desire to learn swimming. So at the age of 3 to 4, he was knocked down and buried by a wave at a beach in California. At the age of 3 to 4 years, he went along with his father at a beach in California, and over there this happened, that he was buried by a wave. He was knocked down and buried by a wave at a beach in California. He developed a great aversion to water. Aversion means hate, ghrana. And after this incident, or after this accident, what happened? He developed a great aversion to water. Means now he does not want to go in the water. So this happened only then when he was 3 to 4 years old. Since that time, the fear of water was started in his mind. Now we are coming on the second part of the chapter, when writer became 10 to 11 year old. At the age of 10 or 11, he decided to learn swimming. So at the age of 10 to 11, he decided to learn swimming with water wings at the YMCA pool. Since it was safe and shallow end. So when writer became 10 to 11 year old, he decided to learn swimming. And where did he go for learning swimming? He went at the YMCA pool, since it was safe and shallow end. That was the reason that he preferred to go there. Now a misadventure एक अनिष्ट हुआ. जब राइटर YMCA पूल पर जाता है तो उसके साथ एक अनिष्ट घटित हो जाता है. जैसे आपने देखा कि जब राइटर 3 से 4 साल का था तो उसके साथ एक घटना घटित हुई थी. एट दैट टाइम एन इंसिडेंट वाज हैपेंड विद हिम, एंड ड्यू टू दैट ही डेवलप्ड अ ग्रेट एवर्जन टू वाटर. लेकिन जब राइटर 10 to 11 ईयर ओल्ड था तो उसके साथ एक दूसरी घटना घटित हुई. सो this is given here a misadventure. What was that misadventure? This is given while sitting alone and waiting for others to come at YMCA pool. Actually, when he reached at the YMCA pool, he was waiting for others. A big boy came and threw Douglas into deep end of the pool. Suddenly, a big boy came there, and he just picked him up and threw him into the deep end of the pool. अब दिस वॉज अ मिसएडवेंचर. ये एक अनिष्ट था, क्योंकि राइटर नहीं जानता था हाउ टू स्विम. और जब उसे एक बड़े लड़के ने अंदर फेंका तो व्हाट हैपेंड विद हिम, दिस इज गिवन फर्दर. Douglas swallowed water and went straight down to the bottom of the pool. Douglas swallowed water and he went straight down to the bottom of the pool. While going down, he planned to make a big jump upward but came up slowly. While he was going down towards the bottom of the pool, he made a plan that as he will hit the bottom of the pool, he will take a big jump. But after taking that big jump, he came up very slowly. Stark terror seized him, and due to that, a stark terror, एक कठोर, एक घोर भय ने seized him, उसे जकड़ लिया. So this was the incidents which took place there, and due to that, the writer had an aversion to water. So you will see, and you have seen here that there is given some points. On the basis of points, you have come to know what happened to the writer. In next video, we will discuss about next part. How did he overcome on the fear of water? Actually, this was the part 1. This was the causes of fear. And now in next video, we will discuss how did he overcome on fear of water. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.